this. I hate to brag, but it's not too bad. What up, what up? Welcome back. So I am on the way to Nate's right now. We are going to be welding up some motor mounts today. We got the motor all lined up in the engine bay. We got the metal cut for the motor mounts. I just had to drill the holes out and get them prepped and ready to weld. So that's where we're headed right now. We got Nick coming over to help us. He's gonna show me how to weld a little bit. That way I can start doing this myself. But yep, we're about to be there. So I'll catch up with you guys when we get there. Hey. What up, what up? We're here at Nate's. We got the welder here. We're about to start welding some stuff up, but first, Nick here.
Howdy.
Is gonna show me how to do some welding and set the machine up and all that crap. But yeah. So we're having a little bit of problems with the welder. This welder is kind of old, if you can tell, but I don't know. He said he can figure it out, so that's what we're doing.
Normally I only glove the hand that's holding the nozzle, just because I like having the ability to move. So yeah, she works. That's very aggressive on the wire speed though. So yeah, do like a 2 count when you tag it. So huck it at the wall?
No. Is that top hole lined up?
Yes, sir.
Sick. Alright, so we got the mount tacked up. It's actually not that warm, but so this is kind of what it'll look like. Basically, it'll go in here kind of like this, and then this little spot down here, I don't know if you can see that, I'll drill a hole right into the subframe. Yep. Alright, we got some scrap metal right here. I'm gonna try and do some passes. I've welded a couple times, but I'm gonna see if I can get a little better. So I'm gonna sit you guys down and watch so you can see it.
I don't know what to say, I don't know what to say, I don't know what to do. Colors all around, but I don't see anything but blue.
Alright, I just let it pass. I did a couple before that, but I hate to brag, but it's not too bad. That's the one I just did. This was the one before that, and this was the first one. What you think, Mr. Instructor?
Well, I think if we get you stacking dimes a little better, you'll identify as a bank. You're killing it for, you know, limited experience. A couple more days, you'll be better than me, and you'll find me in my closet somewhere.
Alright, so we're about to make a pass on the actual mount. I'm gonna do it myself, just cause, yeah. I was thinking more keeping it on the one I rested on.
Yeah, this is the one you would do that, isn't it? Wait, do you weld with the right
weld
hand?
with the right. I pull the trigger with the right hand.
Okay, yeah, so you need the left hand glove.
Yeah, but that's the right hand.
Is it? Oh, might be.
Into the light now.
Stickers will do that.
Okay, we had some problems with the welder. The wire feed kept getting stuck. Long story short, the wire size is actually bigger than, I'm probably wrong on this, the needle it goes through. I have no idea. I don't know what I'm talking about, but we got to figure it out. Should be back in business, so I'm gonna get back to welding. Alright guys, we got that one welded up. It is ready to go. So we are going to move on to the next one. I'm about to come line it up and mark it so that we can get it straight. Alright, we got it all tacked up on the second one and it fits perfect. So let's get the welding. I mean, it still looks good, like it's still penetrated, but...
So, well, what happens when you get a skinny or a really fat line is you're either too far away or too fast, or too close or too slow.
I think I was moving faster than normal. Okay, so for my first couple times actually welding, I have to say it turned out pretty well. I know it probably looks like shit to some of y'all. Alright guys, so the mounts are done, they're welded up. One of them we threw a little bit of extra weld on, so we're gonna grind that down and make it look pretty, but yep, here they are. Well guys, the mounts are made, they're gonna get cleaned up and spray painted, and we'll be back for another one on putting them in the car and then making trans mounts. So that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Stay locked, my friends.